Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have got some crafty goodies here that I would like to share with you. I got these from Temu, they arrived today, and so I thought I'd just do a quick video that shares what I've bought. Now these are all jewellery making, bead making, dangle making products that I have purchased. Now I'll start with these. These are little spacers. There are 50 pieces in here and it was $2.38. I have opened them just to make it easier so we can see them better. So they are like that and then like so. I hope you can see them clearly. So yeah, there's 50 of those in the pack for $2.38. Then I bought these beads. There are 30 beads in here and it's $4.34 and they're 1 centimetre diameter. They're glass or porcelain, whatever you like to say, and they're a printed bead. They got little floral pictures on them. I think there's an assortment of pictures, but they're all the same sort of colour and the same sort of floral, and they've got a reasonable sized hole in them, so you know you can thread them over some thicker threading material. What's that one? I got these eye pins. These are in like the bronzy colour. They're 7 centimetres long and there's 50 pieces for $3.39. And they're just your brass eye pins. So they've got the little eye on the end. Circle. So that's a handy place to hang your dangles and things like that. I got these. These are circlip tweezers. So you know the ones that are multi-layered and they have got like 2 ends and you don't split them apart like a normal jump ring. You have to actually open the rings, and this does that. So having that little hook there goes down in between the 2 circles and makes it possible to open them easily. They were $2.89. They're a bit smaller than I thought they were going to be. I mean, I expected them to be about that long, but I'm guessing that they'll do the trick. Uh-oh. These are like these little diamante type spacers. You can see there. I think there's 100 in the pack for $1.64 and they're about 4mm. So they're handy for putting between your beads. Now I seem to have a bit of a run on at the moment for beading and it'll probably die quickly and I'll have all these supplies, but anyway. These are the same as those bronzy ones, but these are the gold look. They're not gold, of course. 50 pieces for $4.16 and they're also 7 centimetres long, so the same length. Exactly the same except in the gold. These are swivel joins. There's 50 in this bag and it was $5.40, and if I hold that up there you might be able to see each little circle swivels independently, so it just helps your dangles to sit nicely instead of catching and you know going off in weird angles. So I thought I had some that I used in a recent video when I made some dangles, but these are actually fishing swivels. And the ones I had were sort of like the pewter colour, but I wanted some gold ones, so that I've ordered those from. And they're different to the other ones I've got, but they're quite neat and quite tidy, so very handy. These are some what do they call them? Bead cups. And there's 240 pieces in this little kit, and it was $7.34. And there's 3 different types of bead cups in here. So you can see both sides of that. So that's one style that's in there. Very pretty. This is another style. That. So I'm guessing that there's 80 of each, seeing as how there's 240. And that's that one. So these just go on the top and the bottom of your bead, just for a little bit of extra decoration, make your bead look pretty. Yeah, that was that. And I got these little spacer beads. These are like a white clearish sort of a bead. They're 4mm. Yeah, 4mm, and there's 50, I think, on this chain, on this thread, and they were $4.42. So they're just for little spaces in your bits and pieces. So that's all the beading stuff. Now the scrapbooking stuff, not scrapbooking, journaling stuff, I got this sprayed lace, whatever you like to call it. I think it's beautiful. You get 36 inches or a yard in American language. So it's a bit less than a metre in metric. But I just thought that was beautiful. You could cut each one of those off and just use it as a separate piece to embellish a page. You could also start, you know, that could be the beginning of a cluster. All sorts of good things could happen with that. I didn't see it in any other colours. I would like some more of it in other colours, but I didn't see any. So that was $4.32. I got another pack of postcards. If you happen to see my previous Temu haul, I got, I think, about 3 packets of these, and I thought I'd go back and buy some more because I really like them. I can use them as journaling cards. I back them with coffee dyed paper, and then you can just add a little embellishment to it if you want to, or you can leave it as it is. And I generally round the corners, ink around it and stitch around it, and you've got a pretty journaling card without too much hassle. I don't know about you, but when I make a journal, making the tags and the cards to go in the journal takes up quite a lot of time. Yeah, so they're very handy little pieces of, and they're quite thick too. You know, they're a cardstock. They're not a flimsy paper. So they're handy. The other 3 packets, oh, there's 20 in a packet. I don't think I said that. But the other 3 packets I got were beautiful too. So, or actually I prefer the others to this one. But yeah, have a look at my last haul and see what they're like. Also in the last haul, I've got some of these. And I love them so much that I went back and got more. These, I'm not sure whether, this one I know I got exactly the same last time. I'll just put them on here so that you can see them properly. There's 15, I think, in each pack. And you can see, I hope you can see, they are fussy cuts, of course, or die cuts, I'm not sure which, but they don't have a border around them, and I love that. I don't ever use a border on my fussy cuts. I just don't like it. So these were a godsend. I actually tried to buy some fussy cuts like this sort of thing from a lady in the UK, and she didn't sell to Australia, so that was a bit of a problem or she would do it for Australia, but I had to buy a minimum of £50 worth, which is probably, you know, pretty close to 100 Australian dollars worth, and I didn't think I'd really need that many. I did think about buying them and then, you know, seeing if anybody wanted to go halves or share in the order here in Australia, but I decided not to. And well, it looks like I lucked out with these, because these are pretty similar, and you know, $2.64 I think it was, $2.65 for 15 pieces. I don't think I'm going to be complaining about that. Some of them, like this one, was only $1.86 for 15 pieces. So it must be like the colours that are not as popular are a bit cheaper. I'm not sure, but these are more of a mauvey colour. I think I did buy this one before, but I think they are great. And last time I bought some yellow ones too, and I have used the yellow ones quite a bit. I'm just about out of them actually, so I know I will use them. Pretty. So I'm not going to list all of these things or link these things in the description box. I'm not an affiliate with Temu. I purchased these, you know, off my own back, paid for them with my own money. And but if you see something that you do like, leave a comment and I will put a link to them in. I'll send you a link in the comments. So if there is anything here that you're interested in, just do that and I'll get back to you with the link. Alright, so this one was also $1.86. So it's the blue and the mauve were the cheaper ones, and the pink ones were the dearer ones. So they had different florals too, you know, they're not the same print. So that's always nice, isn't it? I think there's 10 with stems and 5 without stems in each pack. Pretty, aren't they? You can see the attention to detail though. They are perfectly cut. It's a delicate one. I think that might go that way. Look at that one with the little diamantes on the stem. So you could heat emboss these as well, and I saw on Corey Darman's channel, Creating with Scraps, that she uses a embossing powder called Vintage Beeswax by Seth Apter. This one was $2.65 for the same 15 pieces, and it gives it gives a vintage sort of finish to things. So I thought I might try and buy some of that if I can find it, and do some of these with that. But you could also just do these with clear gloss embossing powder. I think that'd look great. So once again, this has got 10 with stems and 5 without stems. There we go. So that's it for my little haul today. I did buy some other things as well, and my husband bought some things in the same order, but these are the crafty things that I thought you might like to see. And yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.